Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start the third chapter of biology, that is about the biodiversity. What actually is the biodiversity? It is derived from the two words bio and diversity. Bio, that you know about, that bio means life, while the diversity means that there are diverse diverse knowledge about the organisms. For example, we can say that in different ecosystem there are a number of species present, so the changing the variety of the species is called as the diversity. What is actually the importance of biodiversity? Biodiversity provides us the food for the human. Like we say that different types of plants are present, different types of animals are present that are being used as the source of food for the human beings. So biodiversity act as a source of the food for the humans. Different types of drugs are also derived from the biological resources. Biological resources means the plants, the animals. In fact, we can obtain the drugs from the roots of some plants, from the microorganisms. In this way, the biodiversity also play a role in making the different types of drugs, means the medicines. Then industrial materials are derived directly from plants. The timber is obtained from the plant that is being used as the industrial material. Then there are many other things that are being used, like the resins, the gums that is used to stick the things. These are obtained from the plants and used as the industrial materials. Then the making and maintaining of the ecosystem, different types of plants are present, and these plants are maintaining the ecosystem by absorbing some types of nutrients, by decomposing, and these all are making and maintaining our ecosystem. Then it is also the different types of microorganisms are also involved in the recycling of nutrients and providing the fertile soil. Classification, its aims and principle. Classification, the organisms are being classified for the two main reasons, that is to determine the similarities and differences among organisms and to find the evolutionary relationship among organisms. Why to determine the similarities and differences? Like there are many organisms that are similar or different in different aspects, so we have to check their similarity and differences. We make them in a single class. Like all the animals are considered the same, so they are in the same class. The insects are same, the birds are same. So in this way, they, depending on their similarities and differences, the organisms are classified. Later on, we also worked on the evolutionary relationship, like from where this organism, this bird or this animal is evolved from. What are the ancestors of this animal? So these are the two main reasons of the classification. And also right now in the present era, we are working on the classification on the basis of the similarities of DNA. The organisms that have the same DNA are also classified in a single group. Like we can see that the pigeons and sparrow, they both are of they have the same characteristics. Like we can say that they have the same beak, eye, neck, they have the same paws. So in this way we say that they both are similar, while we can't find any similarity of the birds with the insect. In this way, the birds, the pigeon and sparrow are considered as the bird, while the other one is considered as the insect. The next thing is about the taxonomic hierarchy. What is taxonomic hierarchy? In case of the taxonomic hierarchy, we say that kingdom is the largest one. Like we say that animal is a single kingdom, plant is a separate kingdom, and these kingdoms are further divided into the phylum, or phylums are further divided into the classes. Classes are divided into orders. Orders are divided into families. Families are divided into genus, and genus into species. If we see the example of it, the kingdom of the human is Animalia. We are also considered as the animals. Phylum is considered as the Chordata. Class is Mammalia. Order Primates. Family Hominidae. Genus Homi and Homo. And in this way, the species is called as the Homo sapiens. So all the organisms that are somehow similar to us, they are all in the Homo genus, while all the human beings are called as the Homo sapiens. Then if we see the two different classifications of the human in the P, what is in it? That kingdom of the human is Animalia, while that of the P is Plantae. The phylum is Chordate, while in the P it is Magnoliophyta. The class of the human is Mammalia, while P is Magnolopsida. The order is Primate, while the P order is Fabales. The family is Hominidae, while the P is Fabaceae. All the humans are being in the genus Homo, while the genus of P is Pisum. The species is Homo sapiens, and here it is Pisum sativum.